Well, I own a few properties, and as I looked at properties, sometimes I'll just visit, and I saw a lot of the stickers on some of the new equipment, and the landlords that had those properties, I trusted that they had done their diligence. So when it came time for me to need some equipment, I got a few bids. Cardinal was one of them, and pretty happy with the folks that came out, so I went ahead and did that. I have an apartment building with an old steam boiler. That boiler went, so I had you come out and install a brand new steam boiler on a 2-unit. When I called, they recognized the number, they knew who I was, they knew the address. Someone came out right away and replaced that. That's always a challenge to get someone that knows how to do steam well or properly. The old one hadn't really been piped properly, so we redid the piping, and that so far has worked well. They would always send a picture, the bio, and let me know when they were on their way, when they were leaving the shop, and about how long it would take for them to arrive. Contractors I've used in the past have been around a long time, and they're not a large company, or not large companies, because I've used a couple others. So when I need them, they're not always able to come out. That's one of the things that you guys provide that the previous companies really couldn't do. Well, I've been happy with Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning. They've provided what I've needed numerous times, and I certainly would recommend them and have recommended them in the past and recently. So I've been very happy with the professionalism and the knowledge that the folks that arrive have.